Chi.Chi.Luxe here. Today I have a very quick and small unboxing from YSL. I was in the Short Hills area, had some time to kill, so I ended up going to Short Hills Mall. Let me tell you, that was dangerous. That was dangerous because no lie, everything I saw that day was fire. Fire. Like, I saw Fendi earrings, I saw 2 bags that weren't on my radar, but now on my wish list. And then I finally popped into YSL because that's what I went there for, but not really, but fine. So popped into Saint Laurent. The size of the bag is completely deceiving because it's only this big. So by the size of this, you probably know what this is. And you probably are right. You have your standard Saint Laurent box. It came nicely packaged. Let me just take the whole thing out. Is the dust bag giving it away? I got the ever so beautiful card holder. Yes, I bought another card holder, damn it. Well, I'm catching up to you. I recently saw his collection and I'm just like, there's one in particular he has. I'll put up the exact color, but get a load of this brown. I think it's coming off a little bit darker in person just by a hair. Oh, I do have the model number. I'll put all this in the description box, but it says natural dark on the barcode, so yeah, that's what we're gonna go with. When I saw this color, I immediately fell in love with it. So much so they had another item in this shade and I was like, wow, that's gorgeous. So I'm just like, I'm really trying to control myself, but I might have to visit Saint Laurent again. I typically go for something a little bit more vibrant when it comes to card holders. I feel like all of your interior pieces should be a little bit more vibrant, so I was kind of caught off guard that I like something a little bit more subdued. And I think I bought this because I really wanted the bag that was in this color. So this is kind of like a consolation prize. However, I do have a little bit of a possible issue, and this is why I wanted to really come on here to look at this. As some of you may know, I bought the mustard color, and I know they're different, but it's like, are they too much in the same category to keep both? Because side by side, the yellow just pops and does it for me, but solo dolo, she stands alone. So I'm just trying to figure out, like, is it worth me keeping this one? Because my heart is with the other piece. It truly is. And I'm just like looking at this one like, I'm not 100% sure. Don't get me wrong, I love the color, but it's just, I think my heart is with the color on another piece. I did ask Will, of course, Will McCason. If you don't know him, go to his channel. He's amazing. Subscribe. Tell him I sent you. Leave a little ladybug there on his latest video. But I did ask him. He said they are different enough. But it's just, I don't know. I just want my card holders and wallets to be a little bit more fun. And I think that's why I'm like kind of just, I don't know. But he said that he will take this off of my hands because, you know, he is the card holder king. But he's in love with this shade of brown as well. So here lies the problem. There's also another card holder and it's in this khaki green color with gold hardware. So I'm sitting here like, maybe I should get that because it is a little bit more elevated than just a muted brown. But I'm just like, I don't know. So what I'm thinking is if I buy the khaki, compare all three, and if I end up liking the khaki more than the brown one will go to Will, right? And if I like the brown more, khaki will go back. But if I honestly feel like I'm not feeling either one, I'm gonna give this one to Will and khaki will be back. at her home. So I think that's the best way to do it. I know this is a little odd, but I don't know, they're just so gorgeous. Look at them side by side. It's just, oh man, this yellow one is a no-brainer, but what do you guys think? It's a tough call. It's a tough call. I like them both, but we'll see. Like, I feel like my idea is a little good because I do want another card holder. It's just, I'm not in love with the color. Yeah, because my heart is somewhere else in this shade. So when I buy the khaki one, I might just post it on my stories, but if y'all actually want a whole video, let me know. So by the time I get the piece, I know whether to film it or not. But yeah, this is my newest card holder. She is to be determined whether or not this is her home. Right now she's in foster care. Yeah, she's my foster care baby right now, because not quite sure I want to adopt you yet. Not quite, but I have a lovely family waiting for you. Sorry. But this is my newest piece. Check out some of my other videos and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.